If you're in the transportation industry, this is one topic you can't afford to ignore: federal DOT inspections. These inspections are a crucial part of keeping our roads safe and ensuring that commercial vehicles meet all necessary standards. So let's break it down. First things first, what exactly is a DOT inspection? Simply put, it's a checkup for commercial vehicles. Think of it like a doctor's appointment for your truck. Inspectors take a close look at the vehicle to make sure everything is working as it should. This includes brakes, lights, tires, and even the driver's paperwork. They want to ensure that both the vehicle and the driver are road ready. There are several levels of DOT inspections, each with varying degrees of scrutiny. The most comprehensive is Level 1, where inspectors examine both the vehicle and the driver. On the other end, Level 6 is specific to vehicles carrying radioactive materials. The type of inspection your vehicle undergoes depends on various factors, including the type of cargo and the vehicle's weight. Now, you might be wondering why these inspections are so important. Well, they play a huge role in road safety. By catching potential problems before they cause accidents, DOT inspections help prevent mishaps on the road. Plus, having a clean inspection record can save you from hefty fines and even improve your company's reputation. But let's be real, preparing for a DOT inspection can be a bit overwhelming. There's a lot of paperwork and regulations to keep track of. That's where we come in. This video is brought to you by FMCSA Registration.com, the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry. We help motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States stay compliant with FMCSA registration requirements. Check out FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 for more information. So, how can you get ready for a DOT inspection? Start by keeping your vehicle in top shape. Regular maintenance checks are key. Make sure your brakes are responsive, your lights are bright, and your tires are in good condition. Don't forget about the paperwork. Ensure all documentation is up to date and easily accessible. Another tip is to know the rules of the road. Understanding the regulations can help you avoid common pitfalls during inspections. Taking the time to educate yourself and your team can make a big difference. Remember, the goal of a DOT inspection is not to catch you out, but to make sure you're safe on the road. By staying prepared, you can breeze through the process and keep your focus on what you do best: driving. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And remember, for all your registration needs, FMCSA Registration.com is here to help. Stay safe out there.